Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing a 2.5 ton package unit for a customer today. So here is the package unit getting loaded up on the truck. Help him here. Loaded up on the truck. There's the crate. There's the trash. For a customer, oil package units are also called rooftop units, and in this case we're using it for a customer. He's got a small one at his house, so we're going to replace that for him. We got a bad compressor, leaky evaporator coil. It's like 26 years old. So call us for our air conditioning, heat, and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Number again is 512-448-0532. We're 24/7. Okay, thanks guys. See you guys in the next video.